Hello students, let's move on to the next question of partnership final accounts. So here's the question on screen. Following is the trial balance of a firm 31st March 2022. They have given you the details of drawings. So this will be capital account debit side. Furniture account will be balance sheet asset. Purchases will be trading debit. Stock will be trading debit. General expenses P&L debit. Salaries P&L debit, rent P&L debit, debtors balance sheet asset, bank also balance sheet asset. Capital account of ABC where they have said C capital is 5,000 including his goodwill part. Okay, fine. So these are the opening balances. Okay. Sales, trading, credit side, creditors, balance sheet, liability. Okay. Next, they have said A and B were partners sharing profits and losses equally. So that is 1:1. C was admitted in partnership on 1st October, yes, 2021. In between admit हुआ है, right? तो pre और post period का concept तो definitely आएगा. Correct? So 1st April 21 से लेके 30th September 21 तक will be the pre period. And 1st October 21 से लेके 31st March 22 तक will be the post period. Okay. So April to September, it makes 6 months, and October to March will also make 6 months. So my time ratio is gonna be 1:1. Okay. Yeah. Then 31st March ko there is a closing stock valuation. So it's got two effects: trading credit, second effect balance sheet asset. Rent and taxes paid in advance. So put a tick mark to rent. It is advance, matlab prepaid. So two effects. It will be balance sheet asset and it will be less from the concerned expense. General expenses were outstanding. Put a tick mark to general expense since it is having an adjustment. Outstanding means it will be added, and second effect will be balance sheet liability. Depreciation on furniture. Put a tick mark to furniture. This will be P&L debit, second effect less from furniture. Okay. Then share of goodwill of new partner is valued at 1,000. ठीक है. So इधर goodwill इधर capital कितना है 5. 5 में से 1,000 is what? Goodwill. So बाकी का 4,000 is the capital. Okay. And yet to be adjusted. मतलब it is not been distributed. So we will do it. Okay. Yeah. So I hope the pre-post period part is also clear. Okay, so your certain expenses will be in the time ratio, like I will just discuss. जैसे ये general expenses है, ये हम time ratio में distribute करेंगे. Salaries है, इसको भी हम time ratio में distribute करेंगे. Rent rates and taxes है, time ratio में distribute करेंगे. Okay. So let's start with the trading account. Okay. So opening stock is given in the trial balance, so एक ही effect होगा. Purchases is given in the trial balance, so one effect. Sales in the trial balance, so one effect. Okay. And closing stock, so obviously is an adjustment. So one effect here and the other will be in balance sheet asset side. Okay. So all the adjustments, I'm highlighting it with green. Fine. Yeah. So 1,80,000 plus 2,35,000 minus 25,000 minus 1,10,000. Okay. Just a minute. Some error. 1,80,000 plus 23,500 minus 25,000 minus 1,10,000. 68,500 is my gross profit. Okay. And now, when you will make your P&L account, you are going to divide it into pre and post. That is very important. Okay. आपका P&L will be divided into pre and post. Correct? हाँ. तो ये जो आपका ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट है, ये जो आपने कैलकुलेट किया है, ये भी टाइम रेशियो में जाएगा. ठीक है. अगर आपका सेल्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है, अगर दे हैव गिवन द प्री पीरियड सेल्स एंड द पोस्ट पीरियड सेल्स, then the GP will be divided on sales ratio. But if the sales pre and post is not mentioned, then GP will be on time rate basis. Okay. So time ratio. So time ratio is what? 1:1. It is equal. So I'm going to divide it equally. So 68,500 divided by 2 because it is 1:1. So 34,250, 34,250. Okay. Then general expenses mein there was an adjustment. Okay. 5,200 ka general expense plus 800 ka outstanding. 6,000 divided by pre and post period. So 3,000, 3,000. Salaries, okay, so this is having an adjustment. इसका second effect 800 का आएगा balance sheet liability में. Salaries time ratio में divide हो रहा है, yeah, it is 12,000, 12,000 का half, 6 and 6. So this is in time ratio, obviously. This is also in time ratio. Okay. Rent is 5,900. उसमें 900 prepaid है, so 5,000. Divide this in time ratio. So 2,500 and 2,500. Okay. Same goes for depreciation on furniture. So furniture का कितना था? How much is furniture? 10,500 is furniture. और depreciation कितना है? 10%. ठीक है? So let's calculate that. Yeah. 10,500 ka 10%. There's how much? 1050, and it will be distributed in time ratio 1:1. So equal distribution. So 525 and 525. Okay. तो ये prepaid का भी second effect आएगा balance sheet asset में. Okay. Depreciation on furniture will be seen there, and I'm dividing it in time ratio. Okay. So don't forget these concepts. Just make a note of it. Okay. Next. So let's continue. Yeah. So now when you, yeah, let's balance the ledger. 34,250 minus 3,000 minus 6,000 minus 2,500 minus 525. So it gives me this answer, 22,225. This you're going to divide equally, equal 1:1:1. Okay? 1:1:1. Pre and post. No, this would be here, this side. Just a minute. A, B, C are partners, na? Yeah. So 1:1. Pre-period mein there were only two partners, right? So 1:1:1:3 and 1:1:1:1:2. Okay. A, B, C. ठीक है. C तो था ही नहीं प्री पीरियड में, बराबर. तो हमने इसको 1:1 में डिवाइड किया. अभी लेट्स क्लोज द अदर वन. This same divided by 3. Okay, so 7,408. 7,408. And to balance it, I will take 1,7,409 करके. Okay, this is what I'm doing. Then take it to partners capital. I'll just interchange this. Okay, yeah. This will become, yeah, this is post, this is pre. Opening balance. Can you just see this? 24,000, 12,000, 5,000. ओके. और वो जो 5,000 था उसमें 1,000 तो आपका कैप ये था, गुडविल था, करेक्ट. सो गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. In which ratio? In their, obviously, old ratio. and then you're setting it off also. Yeah, it is a share of partner, right? Yeah. So the journal entry will always be, just let me, his share of goodwill you're taking, correct? It is actually A's capital, B's capital to the admitted partner, C's capital. Barabar? Actually, you can even go like this. Goodwill account debit to A to B. In their sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio, new ratio nahi diya hai, so I'll assume my old ratio is equal to my sacrifice ratio. Okay, this is one. और फिर then it will be your C's capital, I mean goodwill, C's capital to goodwill, his share, right? C's capital to goodwill, and then you're distributing it. ठीक है, ये और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये डेबिट है, ये क्रेडिट है, right? So what will be the journal entry that is left? That is C's capital to A to B. Okay, C's capital to A to B. So you can even go with that. C's capital to A to B. Okay, or you can go like this. C's capital to A's capital to B's capital. Either 1000, either 500, or either 500. Either you go with this or you can go like this. Okay. Yeah. Then close your capital account. 5000 plus 7409 minus 2500, 9909. Then 12,500 plus 7408 plus 4 times 1, 2 minus 7,500. 23,520. Next, 24,500 plus 7,408 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 3 minus 15,000. 28,002. Then make your balance sheet. Furniture depreciation का second effect. Okay. So 10,500 minus 10%. 9450. Prepaid rent का second effect will come here. Debtors, bank, closing stock का second effect. Capital accounts we just got from the capital balances. Outstanding expenses का second effect. और बाकी सब debtors, bank, creditors, they all are having one effect. Plus 900 plus 31,000 plus 10,900 plus 23,500. 75,750, 28,021 plus 23,520 plus 9909 plus 800 plus 13,500. 75,750. Okay. So this is how you are going to calculate. Yeah. So we will take up with a new question in the next lecture. Till then, happy learning.